Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. Premier provides various solutions for the healthcare sector, such as insurance and financial services. They offer support for managing revenue cycles, claims processing, and other administrative tasks. This can streamline operations and improve financial performance for healthcare providers. Premier services are designed to reduce administrative burdens and enhance the efficiency of healthcare organizations. They leverage technology and data analytics to optimize processes, improve decision-making, and ultimately enhance patient care. With a focus on collaboration and innovation, Premier works closely with its clients to develop tailored solutions that address their specific needs and challenges. They offer a comprehensive suite of services to support the entire healthcare ecosystem, from individual practices to large hospital systems. This includes solutions for managing supply chains, negotiating contracts, and improving quality of care. Premier's expertise in healthcare finance and operations allows them to provide valuable insights and guidance to their clients, helping them navigate the complexities of the healthcare industry. Their commitment to data-driven solutions enables them to identify opportunities for cost savings and revenue growth. Furthermore, Premier's focus on compliance and regulatory adherence ensures that healthcare providers can operate with confidence and avoid potential penalties. By partnering with Premier, healthcare organizations can gain access to a wealth of resources and expertise, enabling them to focus on their core mission of delivering high-quality patient care. Premier's integrated platform connects providers, payers, and suppliers, fostering collaboration and improving communication across the healthcare continuum. They continuously invest in research and development to stay at the forefront of healthcare innovation and provide cutting-edge solutions to their clients. By leveraging their extensive network and industry knowledge, Premier empowers healthcare organizations to achieve their financial and operational goals while simultaneously improving patient outcomes.